When it comes to investing your money, you have many options, things like real estate, stocks and bonds, and precious metals. And today we're going to learn about gold and silver from precious metal expert Brian Shanahan here at Wilshire Coin. Brian, it's a pleasure to meet you. Tell me a bit about your business and what you do here.
Wilshire Coin's been in Santa Monica for over 50 years. We deal in anything that has to do with precious metals, gold, silver, and collectible coins as well.
Throughout history, we have used gold and silver to trade. Tell me about the values of gold and silver.
Well, as you said, throughout history for thousands of years now, gold has been used as the currency. Look at the Egyptians, Romans, the Greeks. All of these great civilizations put an extreme amount of faith in the value of this metal, and it has withstood the test of time.
Typically, is gold more valuable than silver, and why?
Gold is more valuable than silver. It's trading right now at about $1,300 per ounce, and silver is trading around $20 an ounce. So that's about a 65-to-1 ratio.
Why should people take an interest in gold and silver when they're looking to invest?
I think gold and silver right now is an excellent alternative to paper currency. Right now, the world's currencies are all fiat currencies. They're basically faith-based with nothing with intrinsic value to back it, such as gold.
When people come in here to purchase something for an investment, what's the hottest thing that they're looking for?
Most people come in and they just want gold or silver trade units just worth their gold value. We have a 10-ounce gold bar. This is a perfectly excellent way to invest in gold. 1 ounce American Gold Eagles. These are minted by the U.S. government. So 1 ounce of gold is 1 ounce of gold. There's no tricks or anything.
Can I hold the gold bar?
Oh, please.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's extremely heavy.
Yeah,
and how much is this worth?
It's got some density to it.
That's worth right around $13,000.
$13,000, wow.
And these are just worth their gold value. They're specifically made to be gold and silver trade units. This is the majority of what people invest in. This is just for gold and silver investment. We also do numismatics here, which is collectible coins, collectible gold, which will bring you to something like this, which is a $4 gold piece from 1879. Something like this obviously is going to run you more than just the gold value. The gold value is probably around $400, where this will cost you more like $100,000 to $150,000.
Excuse my naivety, but if somebody is investing and you're saying that they just want this gold bar for the worth of the gold, what do most people do with it?
You would basically just hold on to it. Hold on to it. It's a store of value. You buy it at a certain price, you put it away in a safe, in a safety deposit box, and wait for the price to go up.
So we've spoken about gold, we can't forget silver.
Yeah, silver is a much less expensive metal. It does have the potential to go up quite a bit with gold. In the 10 years I've done this, I've seen that silver is a little bit more volatile than gold. So when the price of gold is going up, the price of silver usually goes up pretty drastically compared to percentage-wise to what gold's doing.
Why would you say to somebody, invest in gold and silver?
For just pure investors in gold and silver, stick with gold bars, gold coins, silver bars, silver coins, and stick with those. Units of gold and silver that are just worth the price in gold and silver.
If you'd like to learn more about sound investments, you can always visit our website, athomewithdidier.com.